Thank you. Do you want to read it to Mummy? What does an elephant do? Good girl. What does a snake do? Oh, what does a monkey do? What does a lion do? And what do we do when they're sleeping? Right. What does a giraffe have? A long neck. Good girl. And where's your chin? Good girl. Where's your ear? Good girl. Where's your hair? Where's your eyes? Good girl. Where's your nose? Where's your tongue? And where's your teeth? Where's your cheek? No, your cheek, yeah. And where's your neck? Good girl. And where's your elbow? Elbow, yeah. Shall we sing this doctor song with the monkeys?